Hey, this is Jordan Hubbard, Marketing Director for the Selling with CC team. I wanted to come on today to tell you guys about the importance of getting a home warranty. So I know this firsthand because I just purchased a condo back in March of 2021 in the midst of the crazy market, and so it was my first home ever. Didn't know much about buying a house until I joined the team and went through this whole process. And so it was one of those things where, when we were putting in our offer, it was very valuable that we offered to pay for the home warranty ourselves instead of putting that on the seller. Sarah told us it was only going to be like, $500 or $600, somewhere around there. So we put that in our contract and we're good to go. So fast forward, closing on the condo and everything, and 2 weeks after we moved in, our power went out. And we thought that it was just, something in the neighborhood happened. It happened in the middle of the day. And so as the day went on and we realized that all of the other condos had power, we realized that it not only wasn't just our building that had lost power, but it was just our unit that had lost power. And so, we had already checked all of our breakers and done all the things that, on your checklist of when something like that happens, what you should do. And nope, our main breaker was out. And so we had to go through our home warranty and have an electrician sent out to fix the, basically replace the entire main breaker on our condo. So, but we only had to pay like a $75 service fee for that. So saved us a ton of money, especially because it was, the beginning of summer in Florida. It was hot. We had our freezer full of ice, trying to keep all of our food cold for a couple of days. So very grateful that we had it. And then we actually just had to have a plumber come out as well because we had a leaking toilet. And so again, we paid only $75 for that service fee within the first year of our home warranty. And so just coming on again to tell you how valuable that is and how even just within a few months of moving into our new place, how grateful we are that we have it.